Welcome back to another video here on Ginger Afro Cars. Back here with my dad. He's hiding in the shade because it's quite sunny today, which makes a change. So, situation update. As you've seen, quite a bit is done to the car. In the previous videos, quite a bit's done. We've got the new wheels on the car. I actually drove it today, just across here in this private forecourt. Brakes feel a bit spongy. However, it can't find reverse anymore. Now, first gear is where reverse should be, and that's all. But me and my dad are now going to do a fake MOT on it to see if everything works. Check out my dad's designer shoes. I ran my dad over earlier and broke his shoe, so he's now cable tied. Cable ties fix everything.
Right, side light. Yep, just, hang on, just number plate lights. Can't see it. Oh yes, they are glowing. Yep, brake lights. Oh, right. Off. On. Yeah, near side not working. Indicators. Yep. Offside. Yep. Your cable ties come undone. Sorry. Yep. That's right. My shoes fell apart again. Right hand indicator. Yep, that's okay. And that's okay. Yep. Left hand. Yep, headlights. Are they on? Don't look like they're on. Oh yeah, they are. They just sort of glow. Right, main beam. Yep, wipers and washers. Yep, do that again. Washers. Right, horn. Yay! That's it then. Yep, that's an MOT done.
You got a big hole in the bottom of it now. Don't stand in any puddles. They got no soul. So the saying goes, you can't polish a turd, but I gave it a go. So all the wheels are clean, the glass is clean, inside is now pretty much sparkling. Oh, it smells delicious as well. Look at that. Not bad considering it's been sat for 5 years. The back end's now clean, tidy, the wheels all been cleaned up. Yeah, so yes, it is a turd, but you know what? It's my turd and I love it. Next thing, MOT. So I shall see you on the next video. Fingers crossed it will be passing its MOT, or at least give me a very short list of things to do on it. And the bonnet's not staying like this. There is some news coming up about the bonnet very soon. So if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe down there, and I shall see you on the next one. Until then, time for me to say goodbye. Goodbye.